Okay, we're going to call this video the "Oh shit, my LEDs are out" video. I went over this in one of the previous videos, but I'm going to go over it briefly again. This is how to get your LEDs back. People plug it in, they go, I don't know what to do because there's nothing on here. So if you plug your stick in, you've just plugged it in, you're in this mode, you can't figure out what's going on, or you've been playing with it, you're not sure what's going on, you don't need to worry what state you're in. You can unplug your stick, plug it back in, or case, and then just see what happens. If the LEDs come back, great. That means you didn't actually get out of programming mode and save it. If you did get out of programming mode, what you can do is very simply go into programming mode. Remember, it's these two, so hold them down for a little while because everything's running slow right now, or you're not sure because you can't see. Then what you're going to do is hold down. Just hold it for about 5-10 seconds. Now, turn the LEDs back up. Now you can see again. We're back to fire. Everything's good. Come out of programming mode. Again, rainbow colors here.